Hey guys, this is Isabella and Cece from the Owl Masters, and today we are going to be making Dolly Parton banana nut muffin. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place paper liners into 12 muffin cups or spray with pan.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living.
Pour muffin mix into large bowl. Pour topping mix into small bowl. We have two mixes. We have topping mix and muffin mix.
It smells like bananas.
Does it actually? Oh, it does. And now for the topping mix. Don't put your finger in there. Put 2 eggs. Get a bowl and we'll crack the eggs. And oh my gosh. Okay, egg number 2. We will pour the eggs in there. Oh, okay. Next, we have to put in half a cup of milk. Go. Half a cup of melted butter. Where's that? Okay, this is a whole stick of butter is half a cup, right? Okay, now I'm going to unwrap the butter and cut it into smaller pieces. Then put it in the bowl and put it in the microwave. Now we'll put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And now we will pour the melted butter into here. Ooh, that looks cool. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Wait. Oh wait, here it is. Now we will pour the vegetable oil in here. Can't open it. I can't open it. Can you help me? Okay. And this is what the batter looks like. Okay, next step is to cut off 1 tablespoon of butter and put it into our topping mix. Okay, 1 tablespoon. I didn't cut it all the way straight. I need help. There we go. And we'll pour this into our topping. Now we will mixy. What's that? We need to mix it. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Well, time to mix. And now to scoopy. Ooh. Oh no! No, it's falling out. No.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay. After this, we will put the topping mix on. And now we'll put it in the oven. And now set it for 20 minutes. Here are a few jokes. Don't trust stairs. They're always up to something.
What? I mean, who's there? Oh no.
Why do dads take an extra pair of socks when they go golfing?
I don't know why.
In case they get a hole in one. Singing in the shower is fun until you get soap in your mouth. Then it becomes a soap opera.
Bruh.
Jolene, don't take me, that's because you can. Jolene, don't take my man, that's because you can. Jolene, don't take my man, that's because you can. Jolene, don't take my man, that's because you can.
Today we are going to be reading My Little Golden Book about Dolly Parton. Dolly Rebecca Parton was born on January 19th, 1946. She lights up the stage in her fancy outfits, and she enjoys showing off her gorgeous glamour swings. And one thing is certain, everyone loves Dolly. The end. Bye-bye. And they're done. Bye, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye.